Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the speaker on a Honda Odyssey. And to do that we need to remove this interior door trim panel. So we're going to start out by removing this cap here. So take a real small flathead screwdriver and there's a little groove on the top we need to pry in on and then push down on it. And you can see right there that's the little tab that I put the screwdriver on and push down on. And then in behind there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then you want to pop out this cap right here with, again, using the small flathead. And right there is a little groove to pry in on. And underneath there is one Phillips screw. And then on top of the door panel here, take both hands and pull out on it. And then go to the other side of the top and pull out on that also. And then you just want to work your way around the sides and pop the rest of the door panel loose. And then remove the interior door handle by just pulling out on the back side of it and then just wiggling it the front loose. And then we need to unplug this wiring harness by pushing on the tab in the back and pulling out on it. Next, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove this upper bolt. And then we're going to use a plastic pry tool to pry out on the top of the speaker here. You just want to get it in behind the top and then pry out on it. And it pops the top loose and then pick up on the speaker. And it slides out of those little grooves on the bottom of the speaker there. And then pinch both sides of the plug, the wiring plug, and pull out. And that's it guys. That's how you remove the speaker. Thanks for watching.